How to add another account on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you are already logged in with one of your accounts. Now, if you like to add more account, navigate to top left corner and tap on this three-line icon. A menu bar will pop up. Now from here, you have to tap in your profile name with this drop-down icon. Tap on it. Then in this space, you can switch your account with multiple other account, or if you would like to add new account, tap on this option that says add account with plus icon. Now you will land in this space where you have to log into your account. So first of all, you have to enter the mobile number or email associated with your Facebook or your Messenger account. Under that, you have to enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link forgot password. Tap on it, follow some screen instructions, and that will help you to recover your account. Once you have entered the correct login information, simply tap on login, and after that, you will be logged in with this account. So this is the way to add another account on Messenger, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.